If you look at this problem, students, omega is a cube root of unity. Omega is a cube root of unity means we can say omega is a cube root of unity. Omega is a cube root of unity. We know that when omega is a cube root of unity, we have other roots also which are nothing but 1 and omega square. Correct or not? Cube roots of unity are 1 omega square and omega, like this. We know this. Such that omega cube is equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to what is it? 0. Do you follow? So now going by the same concept here now, 1 plus omega can be written as what is it? Minus omega square. Here this is nothing but minus omega square to the power of 7, which is nothing but minus 2 omega square to the power of 7, which can be written as minus 2 to the power of 7 into omega square to the power of 7, which is nothing but minus 128 into omega to the power of 14, which is minus 128 into omega cube to the power of 4 into omega square. Omega square is 1, right? So what is the answer that we get? 1 to the power of 4 into omega square. The answer to the question will be minus 128 omega square is the answer to the question.